4 to 5 months should be good for preparation if anybody is doing it consistently, right?
4 to 5 months is good if they are not working, but in case if they are working, I would say 6 months would be better. So I just started with the PPT, covered all the subjects, and then I started going along with the handbook of the AMC, the blue book. That's what we call, right?
So, hi everyone, welcome. We have with us Dr. Monica. She just got her AMC exam results today and she has cleared the exam with flying colors. So, congratulations, Dr. Monica.
Thank you, doctor.
So, tell us something about your AMC journey so far. When did you start your exam preparation and how long did you take to prepare?
Okay. First of all, I gave my first attempt May last year, but I was preparing for just 2 months and it was not an intensive preparation. So after that, I thought I was lacking somewhere. Even though I gathered the knowledge, I'm lacking somewhere on the technique for this exam. So I tried to attempt my exam again within 2 months. But then I postponed it again for 1 month and gave this August. So the first time, even though I learned a lot, but I was missing on the nukes. That the recalls are very important because I was not concentrating on the recalls on the first time. But this time I got it. I got the techniques. I got many colleagues so that I could crack this time.
Okay. So, according to you, like 4 to 5 months should be good for preparation if anybody is doing it consistently, right?
Yeah, 4 to 5 months is good if they are not working. But in case if they are working, I would say 6 months would be better. We have to be sure on passing the exam.
Of course, that is the key goal. So, tell us something about your strategy. What was it like? You went through the PPTs, the question banks, and the guidelines, the books, of course. We have so many resources. How did you navigate through them?
First of all, I started learning with the PPT because I have no idea what this exam is about. Even though it's just a licensing exam, I don't have any experience with the Australian system. So I just started with the PPT, covered all the subjects, and then I started going along with the handbook of the AMC, the blue book. That's what we call, right? I completed that. And after that, I go with recalls, note down all the important topics that have been repeatedly asked, and then I refer back to the PPT to find the answers there rather than relying on answers that have been circulating in the internet. So that is my strategy. Towards the exam, the last 1 week, I dedicatedly studied only the recalls. I did not go over the new topics. I did not go beyond the rare things. I focused only on the most common things.
So, how has been the support of academically in your journey been? If you could just, briefly describe it for everybody who's listening.
Yeah, regarding the academically tutors, they have really made simple. They have given the idea first what this exam is about, and then academically also made it easy to collect the important questions that have been repeatedly asked in the previous months, because it was very difficult for me to go around and search for all the resources. Instead, they did it for me. So it was easier. When I wanted to focus on recalls, I could dedicate my time only on finding the answers rather than collecting the recalls. That was the main support I got from the academically. And regarding the tutors, they were very clear and made the concept simple instead of making it like going deeper, because if we go deeper in one subject, we may miss on other subjects too, because this exam is about scoring satisfactory results in every subject, right? So they made sure that we focus on each subject rather than dwelling on one thing or the rare things.
So thank you very much, Dr. Monica, for sharing your insights. I wish you all the very best in your journey.
Thank you.
Thank you for connecting.